Hi guys, we're back in Ilocos for holiday and of course, it doesn't feel complete until we visit our favorite place, the Robinsons Mall. So at this point, we arrive and easily park up where there is ample spacious parking. Alam nyo guys, nakaka-excite na talaga at ang ganda ng vibes pagpasok pa lang ng mall. And it feels great to be back. So dumiretso nga kami dito sa Toys R Us to buy for our little ones. And as you can see, there's a plenty of choices from bikes to toy cars, Barbie dolls, and dinosaurs. Grabe, biglang natuwangan ako dito sa napakalaking dinosaurs. Toys R Us are selling an assortment of brand name, children toy games, and electronics. So, ang sumunod naming pinuntahan ay ang The Travel Club dahil ang asawa ko ay gustong bumili ng bagong bag and bagong luggage for our next journey. Whether it's for business trip, adventure, or small holiday, the Travel Club will cater for all your needs. They are located at the first floor main building of the Robinsons Mall. So with all this retail therapy, of course, we've worked up a big appetite. It's time for food! We decided to dine in at Jerry's Grill, our family's favorite restaurant. Alam niyo ba guys, si Afam, paborito niya ang kare-kare. And their staff offered us their bestseller set meals. Buti na lang, available din ang kanilang high chair para sa aking toddler. And after a few minutes, dumating na ang aming order at nauna na ang starter. Is it yummy? Sumunod ng sinerve ang sinigang na hipon, fried chicken na paborito ng aking mga pamangkin, sisig, chicken skewers, kare-kare at crispy pata. Wow! Look at that! Grabe, kitang-kita nyo naman guys, nag-enjoy ang buong pamilya sa mga pagkain ng Jerry's Grill. At kung hindi nyo pa na-try mag-Jerry's Grill, dalhin nyo na ang buong pamilya at tikman ang mga masasarap na pagkain dito lamang sa Jerry's Grill, ground floor ng annex building ng Robinsons Mall. And now for a little relaxation and stress relief, I decided to enjoy a period of comfort and pleasure by having some me time at Aura Aesthetics. I choose the manicure and gel polish for only 499 pesos. They also offer other treatments like HIFU, Exilift, lash extension, facial at marami pang iba. As well as inside the mall, there's also a great outdoor play area that's fun and free for all kids to enjoy. They also have the animal rides and the well-known choo-choo train that takes the kids on an exciting journey around the mall. Grabe, napaka-eye-catching talaga itong summer showpiece dito sa ground floor ng annex building. Also, don't forget that there's a movie world where you can grab your popcorn, fizzy drinks, and watch the latest films. And after a fun-filled pat day at Robinsons, masasabi ko lang, agsubli kaming tumanin. See you soon!